Students, let's talk about the various modes of transmission of diseases today. So, this is actually the different means by which the communicable or infected diseases they get transferred from the infected person to other healthy people. So, there are a number of means through which this happens actually. So, the different means of transmission of diseases are: number 1, through air; number 2, through indirect or maybe direct contact. Third means is they may spread through food or water. Then there are a number of diseases which may be transmitted through vectors, and certain diseases they get transmitted from the infected person to healthy persons by rabid animals. And there is one more category: certain diseases get transmitted even sexually. So let's just also think about the examples of such diseases which get transmitted by these different means. First of all, let us talk about those diseases that spread through air. Pneumonia, common cold, tuberculosis, these diseases are airborne. That means they spread through air. Now, the disease which we are currently actually very scared of, that is the current pandemic, which is everybody is afraid of, the disease that is being caused by the novel coronavirus. Now, this disease gets transmitted in a number of ways, and among these, one means is the indirect contact. Maybe like the virus or the pathogen, it gets transmitted from the infected person to healthy persons, maybe through infected clothes, through infected utensils, and so on. Then we come to those diseases which spread through food or water: jaundice, typhoid, cholera. These are the diseases, they spread through water. Now, if we just think about the malaria and dengue diseases, these diseases get transmitted by vectors, because the pathogen, it is carried from the vector, by the vector, from the infected person to the healthy person. Then is the case of the rabid animals. This is another means of transmission of these communicable diseases, and a very good example of this is the disease which we know as rabies. So now here in this particular case, the animal which is transferring the pathogen is a dog or maybe a monkey sometimes. So the disease gets transmitted by these animals which are known as rabid animals. Then there are certain diseases like syphilis, AIDS, gonorrhea, etc., which get transmitted through sexual contact. So we need to remember all these different means by which the diseases, the communicable diseases, get transmitted. Thank you.